You know I like to do product reviews, so let's do this Turtle Wax Headlight Restore. Let's see what it comes up with. The Turtle Wax one, like new in 15 minutes. So I'll have that on this video. Okay, make sure it's nice and clean, which we already know that. Then it says spray the lens clarifier on a yeah, it probably helps take the cap off, huh? Alright, so it says put a little bit of dollop on your rag and run it over back and forth. Firm motion. It says you can apply it generously, so we'll just apply it right on the lens. Hell with it. What the hell's it gonna hurt? Clear, you can go to the next step, but it's not clear. Close, get in there. It says to use these pads. Probably will help. Let's use these pads now. Start first. I guess it's got labeled 1, 2, 3. Now the 2 side. Now the 3 side. And now the 4 side. This dry lens with cotton towel, so cotton towel we got. Let that haze dry and then buff with the cotton towel. I got a cotton. Side 1. Make sure you got plenty of it on there, as you do. Alright, there's 2. And now 3. Type with my cotton. Now we're going to let it dry a little bit. And and wipe it off again. Start with the base coat. And then quickly coat both limbs. Once dry, follow up with the sealer. So, and there's the after. All right, there you have it. Me and my helper, we got that done. Thanks for tuning in. Check back with us, see what else we come up with.